Hello students, welcome to EVS lecture. Today we are going to learn our 17th lesson, our clothes. Clothes, our necessity. Before we start with the lesson, everyone read the lesson 2 times from your textbook. Now students, you can observe this picture. Now in this picture there are different kind of clothes has been shown. If you will compare your cupboard, you will find same kind of clothes in your cupboard also. So we can say we have variety of clothes, hence we like to purchase new clothes. Now always remember students, if you will find like always having clothes, like always there is a difference between needing clothes and greediness for the clothes. Means what, when you need the clothes, when you don't have clothes to wear or your old clothes have become tight to you, so you need to purchase new clothes. But when you have lots of full of cupboard, you have clothes and still you are purchasing new clothes, then it is a greediness for the clothes. You should always remember there is a difference between need and greed for the clothes. You should always purchase the clothes whenever you require it, not as per your greed. Now what you all do with your old clothes? You should always give your old clothes to the people who need them, or you can recycle the old clothes. There are lots of different ways of recycling old clothes is been shown on the internet, so you can use that tricks to recycle your clothes, or else you can give it to the people who really need them. Now we have learned in 4th standard that cloth have been made by intertwining the threads. Now such kind of fabric, now it has been made. There are industries in Maharashtra where such kind of fabrics have been made. So these kind of industries are called as a textile industries. Textile industries means the industry where threads are intertwined and fabric is made. Now such kind of industries are there in Maharashtra, and there is a Paithani sari which has been very much famous in Maharashtra, and their manufacturers are there in Paithan and Yevla. Himru shawls are very much famous from Aurangabad. Even bed sheets and bedspreads. Bedspreads means the chadar which we spread on the bed. So these are famous from Solapur. So all over Maharashtra there are so many industries and so many places where new clothes, new fabrics are famous. In the map you can see, and even there is a picture of shawl, Paithani sari is been given. Now as per our country have diversity, we find there is a difference between people wearing clothes. Means if you will go to Gujarat side, people wear, the ladies wear ghagra choli, and gents they wear dhoti and kurti. Even if you will go to come to Maharashtra side, in Maharashtra ladies wear saris, and traditional wear is Namwari sari, and gents they wear dhoti kurta and a topi. So these are, as per all over India you will find variety of clothes people wearing. But nowadays, because of modernization, all the ladies they prefer to wear modern clothes like Punjabi dresses and jeans kurtis. Even gents they don't prefer to wear dhoti kurta, they wear pants and shirts. Now the man, when born on the earth, man used not to wear any kind of clothes. But slowly the nature changes, the climate, because of change in the climate, the body, human's body start getting changes, and man started wearing clothes. Previously man used to wear clothes made from the leaves, then he started wearing clothes made from the threads. He started wearing animal skins, and then slowly he started wearing the clothes like we wear. Now remember students that Mumbai was the worldwide famous for textile mills. Previously Mumbai was famous for textile mills, and the humid weather of Mumbai was very much excellent for long thread clothes. That is why Mumbai became a big center for the textile industry. The flourishing cloth industry attracted workers from all over the country, and because of that, Mumbai became an important hub for financial activity in India. What we have learned, wanting things you do not need is a desire, not necessity. We must use things only as we need them. Several regions in our country have a tradition of producing fabrics characteristic of the people. We learnt about diversity in clothing in our country with the help of map. So here I have completed lesson number 18. Already notes have been provided on the group. If you have any doubts, feel free to call me and message me. Thank you.